Was working on PaleKit today with my handy dandy trusty setup, two ghosty terminals, NeoVim on the left, all of my agents on the right, and my Octo plugin, which I use for managing GitHub issues within NeoVim, completely broke. My handy dandy agent was able to just go into the config, update that, and I still can use NeoVim without aggravation. Which just had me thinking, like, I'm not like a hardcore hacker developer. I'm really a generalist, but I use the terminal constantly for writing, planning, journaling, managing projects. Now I'm all terminal all day. I find it vastly just better and more productive than bouncing between SaaS tools. And it reminds me of this like product concept called emergent use, where people use tools for things that the creators didn't actually intend and they're not actually for. And increasingly, I'm seeing people using coding terminals to do not coding stuff, or coding IDEs, basically like developer tools for not coding stuff. And the example of the terminal, it was built for system management and code stuff, not writing blog posts or running operations. And when I strip down the layers of why I like working in the terminal so much, it allows me to have like a single context work, a single context workstation, which developers have long enjoyed because their setup is portable. They can carry tasks to, like, if they work with Vim, no matter what client they work with, they can use Vim, VS Code, just JetBrains, whatever they use. Non-developer knowledge work never really had that luxury and was always like beholden to whatever tools that client or company use. So now I feel it so acutely whenever I have to go out of my two ghostly terminals to clicky clacky on some GUI because they don't have an integration or a tool that I need. So I'm really interested in experiments in this space. Like, there's a YouTuber, I think his name is Prime Egan, and he launched this product around ordering coffee from the terminal. And at first I was like, why would you ever want to order coffee from your terminal? Like, that just sounds like a thing that's not, like, why would you do it? But now that I'm living inside the terminal, it's like, actually, I kind of want to do all of my stuff from the terminal if I could. What are some other actions that you might want to collapse into this flow? Love to talk about it.